So welcome back, guys, to drawing number 5 in Inventor drawing tutorials. So we're going to go back up to the top, new, metric, standard part, create, making sure we're always clicking on the metric one, going back up to the top left hand corner, sketch, select the XY plane, nothing's changed. And just like we did in drawing 4, I'm going to show you how to do it using the line tool and then using the dimension tool. So the line tool is right up next to where we saw sketch. Come down to the origin, which is the center point where it goes green, click. Draw the basic shape, click. Remembering just to make sure things are 90 degrees. If you hold the shift key, hold the shift key down, it doesn't. So we're going to go into there, make sure 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Again, I'm going to deliberately do it so it looks different to our drawing. So the shape's sort of right, but it's not quite exactly right. And that's done deliberately so that as I change the dimensions and put the dimensions in, you can see how it comes back to being correct. So we're finished doing our basic outline. Right click, OK. Dimension tool, do our bottom dimension first, where we're going to start from, go to, pull down, and the width of our block is 30 millimeters. Enter. We know that the height of our block from the top to the bottom of our block is 20 millimeters. Enter. So I'm left click, left click, left click, 20, enter. I can't see my whole drawing again, so where do I go? I go up to my right hand corner, see my drawing block, find the word front and click once on that, and it brings it back to the center. I can see everything. So I've got my height set, I've got my width set. I've just got to set the width of this one here, so how wide is that gap? And if I look at the drawing, that gap is a 10 millimeter gap. Enter. And how deep is it? Again, the drawing says from this point to the bottom is 10 millimeters. And it says, looking at my drawing again, so I keep referring back to my drawing all the time. And my drawing is from there to there and up to there is 10 millimeters. So once again, you can see all my lines are blue, so they're all constrained. We know that means they're going to stay fixed. Finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude the shape. And again, I want a distance of 50 millimeters because we know our block's 50 millimeters long. Go OK. Come back up to my drawing block. Have a look at it. I can click on the other corner. So now it's in the same orientation as my drawing. And we are good to go. That seems to be it. So now file, save as, and drawing 5 and save.